Hello, everyone. What if, as a small business owner, you have access to tools in this digital age that can help you to grow your business faster? My name is Ike, and today we'll be taking a look at useful tools that every small business owner needs if you want to grow their business faster. Now, in this edition, we'll be taking a look at those tools that you will need. And believe me, some of these tools are free. So you have no reason not to use them. These tools can help you to achieve your task. They can help you to reach out to customers, attract paying customers to that business. Now, let's get down to it. The number one we'll be talking about today is Google My Business. Most people may not know much about Google My Business. Some people do. But whether you know or you don't, it is a tool that is so important for you as a business owner. See, Google My Business is a kind of listing where Google allows every business owner to put their business on Google online. Where whenever people search for what you do in your local area, Google My Business will be able to push out your business, which works together with Google Map. In fact, with it, people can drive to your office. One good thing about it is that it's free. Google My Business is free. So what stops you from setting up Google My Business for your business? It's so easy. All you need to do is go to Google My Business website, put the name of your company, put your address, and then put up other details. In fact, if you go to YouTube, there are so many videos that can show you how to set up Google My Business. Some people have been in business for years and they're unable to set up their Google My Business. Somehow Google finds a way to help them put this thing out there. But the danger is this: when Google helps you, or the Google staff or Google people help you to set up your Google My Business, what it means is that they will not represent your business the way you want it. There's this business owner who we helped to build his website. So when we told him about it, they checked online actually, and they discovered that their business is on Google. But guess what? Google was leading people who wanted to visit them through Google My Business, which is the Google Map. They are linked together. Google was actually leading people to another location, another plaza entirely. So have you been able to check your business online? Type the name, your full name, the name of your business on Google, and see whether your business will show up on Google My Business, which is the first part of it, the map that comes up, where people can call you directly or people can equally visit your office. Fine, Google Map can lead them to your office if you do it properly. Why would you be losing customers in your vicinity? Because Google My Business is actually meant for, it's a kind of local business thing. If your business is just in front of my house and I search for what you do on Google, Google My Business will be able to bring your business for me to just cross the road and get it. So without it, you may be losing your customers, even customers who are around your area, who are around your vicinity. The truth is this: the benefits of Google My Business cannot be overemphasized. Why not take that step today and set up Google My Business for that your business? The number two tool we'll be looking at today is Google Search Console. The truth is that most people don't know about this tool. If you have a website, this majorly for those who already have a website. If you have a website, especially a website built with WordPress or any of the content management system, and you don't have Google Search Console, then there is a problem. Now, Google Search Console will also work for any type of website. All you need to do is to know how to connect your website to Google Search Console. Look at some of the benefits. If you are able to connect your website with Google Search Console, one, if there is anybody trying to hack your site, or if there is any time someone trying to upload something to hack your website, Google can easily tell you immediately on Google Search Console. Another advantage is this: with Google Search Console, you'll be able to see the keyword people are typing on Google that are bringing them to your website. There are a lot of benefits. If you see a keyword that people keep typing on Google And this keyword, you did not use it on your website or to optimize your page, you can quickly pick up that keyword and put it to your website. Google Search Console will be able to tell you the number of people searching your website, the people who are using like tablet, computer, smartphones. You'll be able to see all this. It has a lot of advantages. It is when you visit it, you'll be able to see what is going on your site. One good thing now is that Google has moved from desktop version of website to mobile version. Now, because more people are searching online with mobile phones, Google Search Console can easily let you know so that you'll be able to restructure your website to become mobile friendly. There are a lot of benefits. If you don't know about this and you have a website, whether a website with WordPress or any content management system, or website built with HTML, CSS, Java, anyone, or built with Python, anyone, as long as you have a website, look for a way to connect your website to Google Search Console. The benefits are just too much.